there are certain rules and regulations which have to be kept in mind when doing the map marking for ICSE. First of all, I would like to tell you that you can use brown pencil colors only for map marking, okay, for marking the mountains and plateaus basically. And for marking Western Ghats, okay, for marking Western Ghats, you have to keep in mind the direction, and you have to mark the Western Ghats, okay, slightly away from the coastline. It should not touch the coastline. It should not touch the coastline, and you have to mark with a single stroke of the pencil in this manner. You have to use a brown colored pencil color, right? And the direction has to be kept in mind. And then no mountain has to be marked intersecting the rivers, okay. The mountain should not cross over the rivers, okay. For example, if you observe here the Eastern Ghats, okay, the Eastern Ghats are discontinuous, you all know it very well. Now you see Eastern Ghats coming from here and they are not crossing over the Krishna river, okay. They are not crossing over the Krishna and the Godavari river, okay. They are discontinuous here. They should not intersect the rivers. And then here the Western Ghats, again I repeat, okay, they should not touch the coastline. They should be slightly away from the coastline. And if you observe carefully here, the Eastern Ghats, okay, they are slightly further away from the coastline, okay, than the Western Ghats, okay. The distance between the Eastern Ghat and the coastline is slightly more. And then you see here the Vindhya mountains, okay, the Vindhya range is above the Narmada here. The Satpura is between Narmada and Tapi, okay, you have to keep these in mind. And then these Aravalli mountains here in this part. And then I would like to tell you about this Deccan Plateau, okay, you draw the outline, okay, in brown color and then you shade it slightly with brown color, right? This is how you have to do. And I again repeat, okay, now see here we have Garo, Khashi and Jaintia hills. Here we have Naga hills, okay, and Patkaimum, okay. And then, okay, these are the peaks and all. So the Himalayas have to be marked from here, okay. This is Karakoram, okay. These are the Himalayas, okay. The three range, Himadri, Himachal and the Shivalik, okay. So you may mark in this manner. But please keep in mind, okay, that it should not intersect the rivers, okay. They should be discontinuous, okay. Avoid crossing over the rivers. In this manner you have to mark, okay, so that you can score good marks, okay. Thank you so much.